This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 265BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, TV, LP detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, slide-out, external shower, oven, leveling jacks, Skylight, spare tire kit, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 265BH is 6,450 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.